hating and punishing yourself for what they did to you. Hi everyone, this is Nisha Ganguly and this is my 9th day of reading out my words from my visa to all of you. So I wrote something last night and I hope that this will somehow be effective for you, and this is how it goes. Dear me, I want you to know that it's finally the time for you to forgive yourself. You have already punished yourself enough, not for what you did but for what they did to you. You have punished yourself enough for what they did to you, and now it's finally the time to forgive yourself. You have carried their actions as your own for a long time. They behaved in a certain way with you and you thought that it was your fault, and you have carried that as your own for a long time now, and you need to let it go. I know that it's really hard to trust people after what they did to you. I know. But please don't let that affect you. Please don't let that change who you are. Because people out there will want for you to be like them. People out there will say hurtful things to you so that you change yourself according to them. People want that. People want everyone to behave as minions for them. But you can't let that happen to you. You can't let that happen to you. You can't lose yourself just because someone out there says that you're not good because you are yourself. You can't change yourself for someone's behavior. I know, if that will push you out of the friend circle, if that is making you stay alone, it's fine. It's better to stay alone than behave like a minion for them. And I understand that forgiving them is really hard. But right now, you really need to forgive yourself. That is the most important thing. Forgiving yourself is a lot more important than forgiving them. And that is what you need to do right now. You didn't deserve what they did to you. And I know, really didn't deserve that. But what you are doing to yourself right now is a lot more worse than what they did to yourself. Stop hating and punishing yourself so much for what they did to you. It wasn't even your fault. It was their fault, it was their mistake, it was their reason. Stop hating yourself for that. You survived what they did to you. You felt every word that they said, and each and every behavior and words of theirs shattered you. I know it did. And you collected all your shattered pieces so beautifully, and you are standing where you are right now today. So you have done too good. You have done too good to hate yourself for what they did. You have done too good to hate and punish yourself for their behavior. And trust me, the universe saw everything. The universe saw how they behaved with you, and the universe will take care of them. They will get their karmas. You don't have to worry about that. But forgive yourself. You deserve peace, and let that peace begin with forgiving yourself. So that is all I had to say for today's video. I hope that this was somehow helpful to you. I hope that you realize how precious you are, and bye bye, all the best. Hope to meet you very soon.